Well, the day's finally arrived, and Joltage has delivered an amazing package for me. I'm hoping anyway. I've seen some pictures. I'm really excited. This is a custom plushie that I've been waiting for quite some time now, and he's done a great job of getting her to me. He had a bit of a few issues with materials, namely polyfilm and things like that because of the pandemic going on right now. But Lyra finally will have a friend to join her, and she's in this box right here. At least that's what I'm hoping anyway, because I haven't opened it yet. So this is my first honest reaction to this custom plushie that I had commissioned by Joltage, as I said. So let's just get in here. This a lot of people wonder, you know, how much something like this costs, and all I can tell you is they're not cheap. You got to think about how many hours go into something like this, not to mention the talent involved in making it to begin with, and that's assuming you already have a pattern. And Joltage makes his own patterns. So here we go. What do you think, Lyra? She's no, mute on the subject right now. Now the question is how this box is held together, because I really don't know. This might require me putting this camera down with. See some gray minky. Oh, looks like I opened her upside down. But that's okay, because I don't think it's going to make that much difference. Oh, she looks so fuzzy. Oh, yeah. Oh gosh, she's so cute. There she is. Her mane is the only thing I wasn't sure about, because I've never had a faux fur mane before on a plushie, or tail for that matter. She's perfectly stuffed. All right, let's go over here. Next to Lyra. Oh. She's actually very similar size. I wasn't expecting her to be a little bit bigger. The hooves are this custom shape I asked for, which is the same as Lyra's. And you can see that. It has this mane that's double-sided. This nice fur. It's got her stripes in it. A little hard to see with this lighting, but there's definitely a lighter color than here. Minky is absolutely perfect. Nothing quite like fresh Minky compared to the other one. There, you can see her stripes on her mane a lot better here. And let's see in her tail, the same kind of stripe pattern. There's some better lighting to show you the details. Fully embroidered eyes. Ears are kind of this matte. It's got a like a foam on the inside of the ears. It's squishy. See her cutie mark here, and like I said, her hooves are this different shape. Don't worry, Lyra's over here. She's taking a look. Lyra's from Lanacraft, so different maker. Let's take a look at her tail here. It's just beautiful. Got that nice sharp cut on it, just exactly like it is in the show. The back hooves are a little long, but a nice butt. Of course, every good pony has a good butt, right? And oh, there she is. Yeah, pretty happy. There's a comparison between Lyra and Marble. Very, very similar size. with only a couple inches difference. Does not disappoint.